Work!
I'm gonna give it one time.
Yeah! You should name this video Random Workers.
Oh! I said missing.
Oh!
Alright, maybe I need to change angles or something. Hey, hey! I'm getting hot. No, you ain't got to show me.
Oh!
You said what? Nah, close. Nah, I didn't make it. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
One shot, man.
Huh? That's all. You got these clothes on. You're restricted.
One shot.
This dude right here got his own number, so let him shoot.
Oh!
I'm like everybody. I'm teaching them how to assist the ball. Teaching them how to assist the ball. Pass the ball. Ooh, ain't no one said next.
Oh!
Putting this on YouTube. Say 50 air balls in a row. 50 air balls and bricks in a row.
Pass the ball, Scott. That's all.
How long the ball go?
Hey, don't be talking about how bad I play either.
Oh my god! Oh, my bad.
I need to scoot back some.
PBA shoot around?
I got a nice form.
Oh!
I'm done after that.
Oh!
Let me try it one more again.
Smart. That's bad for you, Smith Times. Oh!
It's terrible. Let me try it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about throwing you. I gave him out. I'm just shooting around.
It's fine. You're working on ugly sewers. Well, they used to be ugly.
Oh, those over there?
Yeah.
Nah, dude.
I'm gonna get one in a minute. Oh, you ain't about to make that.
Oh,
You make that
I
up
don't-
quick.
Also,
Alright, thanks, y'all.
never put those on concrete. Oh! Oh yeah, what's in the R ball, Daniel?
Zoom in, zoom in.
It's 2-0 us.
What do you guys?
No way.
Sagas.